Case name Pawan Kumar, age is 32 years, and today date is 15th of November 2023, and complain of high-pitched voice even after puberty.
Yes,
I want speech sample before treatment. Say about yourself.
So I am Pawan Kumar. I am a child accountant and I came here to treat for my voice disorder.
How it is affecting your career?
See, I am a child accountant, so I have to speak to multiple people in my professional world. So as my voice is not that proper, so I cannot communicate properly to my clients or to my stakeholders.
Post therapy video of Mr. Pawan Kumar, and today date is 22nd November 2023. So Pawan, how do you feel after this therapy? Why you came here?
See, actually I have some spasmodic dysphonia issue, and which will make me uncomfortable when I'm speaking with multiple people. But after having therapy here, I am feeling much comfortable to speak, and I am also slightly, very open to speak with anybody. So even I got very confidence in that speaking.
So have you called anyone after the therapy, and what was the reactions of other communication partner?
Yes, sir. I have spoken to my officials, my office team, and also with my friends and also family members. Everybody said that there is this, very much good improvement in the voice pitch and voice the speaking the clarity. So they are able to understand without any issues.
So earlier what was happening?
Earlier on they used to frequently ask what you're saying. Repeat once again. So repeat once again. So but this time the repeating is very less. So if I say very nominal also.
Mm-hmm. And your problem is spasmodic dysphonia, so it's quite challenging also to treat. Sure. And have you taken any treatment before coming here?
Yes, I have taken two, three speech therapies in Hyderabad.
What was the duration of treatment with each therapist?
That was around 1 to 2 months in each therapy.
1 to 2
months for each.
Okay, 1 to 2 months for each therapist.
Each therapy.
So almost we have spent already therapy for means I can say that 5-6 months.
We can say roughly, yes.
Okay, so you came from Hyderabad to Bangalore?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and tell your hobbies.
My hobbies is my major time will be in office, but once occasionally like Sundays I will be spending time with my friends and also watching cricket and going to movies.
And here I will be adding, I think you had earlier high-pitched voice, no? Only feminine
yes,
voice.
Yes,
and I can see that when you had a high-pitched voice during puberty, it was not treated. I'm not 100% sure, but I feel because of the vocal abuse, it converted into the spasmodic dysphonia, and you have taken 3 places for almost 1 to 2 months treatment.
Yes, sir.
So I have seen the good improvement. Those patients who come here directly instead of trying different places. So whenever you are taking therapy, just check that to whom you are going to take treatment, they are expert in the voice disorder or not. Because speech language pathology is a very broad field, and different communication disorders are added. And there may be some speech pathologists, they will be expert in treating delayed speech in language in children. They are in the voice disorder like me. There may be some swallowing disorder. There may be a patient of aphasia after the stroke. There may be some expert in the fluency disorder. So like that. So you have to find out those who are expert in the voice disorder. Yes, and when people come after the multiple consultation, I have seen that sometimes it's become more and more challenging to treat them. So if you are having a voice disorder and if you are planning to come here, so don't do much experiment. If you are coming directly, I think I can make you feel better. Thank you, sir.